Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 5 ways to make money on Binance. First thing you need to do is create Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create Binance account. Then I'm going to leave some useful video in the video description for you to watch. Then after you create your Binance account with the link in the video description, then you need to come to this up here. Check here, maybe you have verified your account. After doing that, just need to come back again. The first way how to make money on Binance I'm going to talk about is staking. Like if you are new to cryptocurrency or new to Binance, there is something like staking. Like some crypto are giving like 50% annual interest on their various and token, or 20% or 10%. With this, you can buy the token in mention if you want to stake this and receive this as passive income. Let me show you this. And come over to this N. Savings and lock staking has been merged here. Press OK. And now if you want to simple N, you can press this simple N. As you can see, if you want to stake ape coin, they will give you 209% annual interest. This 120 days. This is how much interest you will be getting on this token if you stake this token. Meanwhile, remember, this token can go down and there won't be it won't make a lot of sense staking this token and the token devalue in price, and you still hold the the value token. So it's better to do your own research to know the actual token to stake for you to earn interest on, if you want to do this strategy on making money through staking. As you can see, BNB is offering 5% of reward if you stake for 120 days and various token. So that's how you can make money doing this. If you want to stake, for example, BNB, you want to go with this 5%, you just need to press subscribe. After pressing subscribe, I'm going to cancel the say insufficient. You just need to press the amount of BNB you want to subscribe, and they are going to show you the interest. Let me just press any amount. Maybe it's going to show the interest. If I stake 200 BNB, at this end of this 120 days, I will receive 3.0. I will receive 3.8 BNB, roughly maybe 3. That's today BNB is, let's say, 300 per each BNB. Let's say 800 euro, $800 at end of this staking. Mind you, 200 BNB is a lot of money. At least you can earn money with your BNB. So that's how you can make money through this, basically. And the second way to make money on Binance is by borrowing and lending. You will be surprised how will you make money borrowing someone your asset. On Binance, you can lend your crypto out on Binance, maybe be USDT or Bitcoin, to receive interest on this. I'm just going to press more. I'm going to search the borrowing function over here. Borrowing. I'm going to search this option over here. Borrowing, and this crypto loan. I'm going to press the crypto loan. I'm going to press this start borrowing. I want to borrow I'm not borrowing, I want to lend my crypto out. In other case, you can borrow USDT, 100 USDT if you have like 200 worth of BUSDT. Meanwhile, if you borrow 100 euro worth of USDT, then you have 200 euro worth of USDT. If your BUSDT fall below the value of the money you borrow, then your position will be liquidated. So in borrowing 100 USDT on Binance right now, you have your assets with you, then you still have the 100 in lock and storage that you use as collateral. Then you now have 100 USDT in your wallet over here, in your spot wallet over here. You have this over here to buy the token. You don't want to sell your token. You can borrow against your asset you have on Binance to purchase another asset. Maybe you think this asset is going to go up. Meanwhile, this kind of making money on Binance is a lot of risk. So make sure you know what you are doing before taking this step. So the third way I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Binance is P2P. Binance P2P. You can make money through Binance P2P. I'm going to go to this trading, P2P trading over here. I'm going to press confirm I have agreed. As you can see over here, if I want to buy BUSDT and USDT, I'm going to pay 1 USDT. I'm going to pay 779 cents. I'm going to come over here to Express. These people that are Binance merchants. You need to become a Binance merchant for you to be able to make good percentage on Binance P2P. Let me just press I want to buy this 100 buy by crypto, and I'm going to press I want to buy with 100 USDT to just check the rate. As you can see over here, 1 USDT is I will be able to get this at the rate of 750 naira, 750 naira 0.04 naira. That's equivalent of $1. If you remember, on this Express, this manual place to buy, the actual price is 749 naira 79 cents. As you can see, this price is like a little different in price. Let me just go to normal place. If you want to buy USDT with naira, I'm going to go to this place to understand what I'm talking about. NGN. I'm going to press here. Okay. As you can see over here, as at this moment I'm recording this video, if you want to buy 1 USDT with naira, you need to pay 71.9. As you can see, there is difference in the market price. So it's better, you see, you buy from these people and there is difference in this price over here. I think this price is changing. So with this, you can use the difference in price and use it to your advantage. If you see, okay, if you buy on this P2P, you buy on P2P, on normal person on P2P at 740, then you go to this marketplace, then you send it to naira at 501. So you make a profit of 2 naira. So 2 naira times 1,000. 2 naira times 1,000. That's 2,000 naira. So if you have 1,000 USDT, you will be able to make 2,000 naira with this trade. I know it's not that huge money. At least in changing of price and being a merchant on Binance, you can make money through this. So I'm going to make a video on how to become a merchant on Binance. If you are looking forward to how to make this process, and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the update when I upload another video on my channel. The fourth way to make money on Binance is Launchpad. There is this function on Binance says Launchpad. Binance normally launch some token for people to use BNB and BUSDT to purchase this as token sales. So it's like different way they are doing this. So as you can see over here, there is this their last launch pad over here is hook protocol. So one hook protocol, you will be selling it at 0.00038333810 BNB. So as you can see over here, if this is under $1, let me check more information to actually see this price in dollar. Is less than 1 cent. As you can see over here, let me just go to if you partake in this token sales now, and you buy this you buy 150,000 hook token at the rate of 50.719 BUSDT. I think 10 BUSDT will be, as at this recording, I think BUSDT is under $300. I'm going to put it 2007 times 5. 2007. This is going to be 5,004. 5,004. This is going to be 10,000. 5,004. This is going to be 11,000. Roughly, you will be spending 13,000 USDT to get this token. I'm going to go back to this Binance to see the way to see what I'm talking about. Hook token. As you can see over here, at this time I'm recording this video, someone that bought this token around that time you will have a lot of like 200,000 $200,000 just purchasing this token at under $14,000. So this is a great way to make money on Binance. And to be able to make this huge amount of money on Binance, you need to have BNB. So you need to purchase a lot of BNB for you to be able to buy this quantity of amount of this coin on Binance. That is another great way to make money on Binance. If you are getting value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So the last way I'm going to talk about how to make money on Binance is going to be this option on Binance. If you want to deposit money, there's another function on Binance different from Binance P2P. They call it cash link. Cash link is like merchants, something like Binance but in another form way. If I'm going to press continue, I want to deposit naira. I'm going to press 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. I'm going to press continue. Continue. As you can see over here, this merchant over here, they are charging 150 to process 10,000. 150 naira to process 10,000 and 10,000 naira deposit. So if you agree to deposit this money through this merchant, they will receive 150 naira from you as a fee of processing and settling your transaction on Binance. That's how these people are making money on Binance. So if you like this way, you can do your own research and try to know what you are doing before you take any step on this video. I'm just a guy to just try to educate you on Binance, how to make money with your money, and make sure cryptocurrency is a risk and investment, and know what you are doing. Don't forget to like the video and turn on the notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.